If you're watching this video, then you're probably looking at a listing for this project that's behind me. It's a unique project with some elements that I wanted to highlight. Several years ago, over 5 years ago, it was an old trailer park with 30-year-old homes. There was 15 of them, and it was just falling apart. There was a couple of assets that we really liked. There's two commercial buildings that you'll see on site. It was really interesting. One of them was only partially finished. It was brand new. A shell on the outside had never been finished on the inside. Just on that building, we were able to turn it into apartments and an on-site laundromat. We went through and we took everything down to the dirt. So we ran new gas lines, new water lines, new sewer lines. You can see those behind me. We then added 38 3-bedroom, 2-bath, brand new manufactured homes. You can see those behind me. We incorporated this green space in the middle because we thought it would create a nice community element and put all of the cars around the outside. We didn't want your traditional trailer park with cars on cinder blocks. We didn't want that vibe. We added storage units. You'll be able to see some of those in the shots. What we've created here is a community, and we think for an investor who's interested in this project, there's some really outstanding benefits. One of the benefits is that in 2025, you're still looking at a residual 40% accelerated depreciation benefit. That's a 7-figure number. It's looking like Congress is going to extend the 2018 accelerated depreciation, the super bonus depreciation. Assuming that takes place, you're looking at $3.4 million this year in accelerated depreciation benefit. Additionally, each one of these manufactured homes is individually titled. And so an ownership group could start selling those homes off one at a time. Current market value of the homes are $125,000 to $135,000. Over the next couple years, we anticipate those appreciating 5 to 10% a year. You could easily be $5 to $6 million sales price or seller financing opportunity on these individual homes. And so between tax benefits, the ability to recoup a huge percentage of the purchase price and still get lot rent at $400 a month, the fact that everything is brand new, we think this is a unique property in an explosive growth market in Southeast Idaho, and something that you should definitely consider. You can see that we have this sliding back door and a custom deck that we built on every single one of these homes. This was a custom edition. Normally on a single wide manufactured home like this, you would have just a window on this back master bedroom. We wanted to create community. We added both a sliding glass door and a back deck. It's a third door on these homes. So you have a door on one side, you have a door on the other side, and then you have this common entry point. We figured if people want to use it as a home office, they could use it for that. Or if they just wanted one of their bedrooms to have a slider that walks out, that could be a nice amenity as well. These homes were all built by Fleetwood, Cavco. We ran high-speed internet to the park. We upgraded all of the infrastructure in terms of the sewer capacity, the water lines. All of that's brand new. So wanted you to see that from an outside standpoint, and we think that it's really created a fantastic effect on that community. One thing you'll also notice, these homes are close enough together. We don't allow sheds in between the homes. We don't allow pet kennels in between the homes. We absolutely don't allow vehicles. Again, we wanted to push the parking outside because we didn't want that trashy kind of trailer park vibe to happen. So let's go through one of the homes and we'll show you how they're laid out. So this is the bedroom coming right in from the back deck with the slider. And we'll just walk through real quick here. We have a hallway bathroom. All of these come with appliances. So you can see we've nicely appointed dishwashers, stoves, refrigerators. They don't include washer and dryers, but again, we have a laundry facility on site. Vinyl plank flooring, upgraded cabinets, central heat. They do have washer and dryer hookups. If they'd like to add those, that's available. And then a pretty nicely appointed master bedroom here in the back. The vision that we have is that these could be a nice little starter home. So imagine a scenario where they rent for a couple of years and then you have them go get a mortgage, which you can easily get an FHA 3% down loan on a manufactured home in a park and buy it from the owner.